Hello again, it's Priscilla Batzell in Spring Hill, Florida at Expressionist Art Studio Gallery, and I've taken my Mead and Black, which covers really well, and I've covered a 14 by 14 inch canvas. I got a couple little spots on my edges that I should pay attention to. And this is so that I can do a similar swipe to something I did the other day that I painted over because it had dried terribly. So I've cut the end off a 16 by 20 inch sheet of acetate that comes in an Artist Loft value pack of 16 by 20 inch canvases as the front protective layer. I'm going to put that aside for right now. And I'm going to follow the color scheme that I used the other day. I'm not certain. I'm going to go exactly in the same place. I might put double layers of everything down, I might not. This is a purple flash from Folk Art. It's color shifting paint. And where's my purple? Excuse me, where's my pink? I think I'm going to go back the other way. That was in the wrong order. So I had pink, gold, and purple. So I'm going to do... And this is a smaller canvas, so I might not need as much as I think I need. I'm also going to put some black. Where am I going to put the black? I don't know. Let's just follow the instructions first. So pink, and then gold, and then purple, and then I wanted to put some turquoise down. And on the other side, I'm going to do some blue. I'm also going to put some Mead and Black. But this stuff goes an awful long way, so a little goes a long way. I'm going to try and use less. But I really like the Venetian blue from Modern Masters. And I could probably have a painting make me pretty happy if it looked just like that. Okay, so now, do I want to put a little bit of Mead on the bottom half of this? And I kind of do. I'm going to just put a little tiny bit, just to make the canvas wet. So we have a shot. And like I said, a little goes a long way and covers really well. Less to cover a second layer and more to make it possible. Now this ought to work. Sans dog hairs. I don't want dog hairs in my artwork. Please come away. So I started with the pink. And that's pretty slick. I like that. I'm going to use my residuals, not that there's much there. I might torch that really quickly. That's gorgeous. This could be the shortest swipe video ever. Let's give it a bit of just a little bit of a torch. Get rid of any other bubbles that might happen to be hiding in there. I think I'm going to nudge this paint right down the edge. Now, I'm going to use the card that I had just as I have it. I want more blue. Just to be on the safe side, I'm going to double up. Put a little more wet Mead and paint there. Leave that right over. Here goes nothing. Well, it didn't go all the way. So I'm going to take a chance. Go back again, second time. Then I'm going to do just what I did the last time. First I'm going to take any paint that's residual on my card. And if I push that right over, I can probably do that even better, not on top of the tile. There we go. So now I'm going to do what I did the other day. Only this time I'm going to dot, and then I'm going to drag some more paint through there. Do I want more? I could probably leave that right like that and be okay with it. But what I did the other day was tilt, and I want to do that again. Once I get it rolling in one direction, I might want it to come back in the other. I don't know, I just have to change things up sometimes. I want to use these same colors and do a geometric. I still didn't put any white in, and I wanted to. Just waggle some gold right across there. And I like that. I want to put some pink on the other side though. Never enough. Never satisfied. I'm hoping I'm not overdoing it. But I think I can get away with this. Why else would I try? Do I put a little black there now? Oh boy. Yeah, I'm not unhappy about that. I'd like it to drip right into the pink on the other side actually. Just to disturb that center section. Okay, so that's okay. That's pretty cool. I'm good with that. I might have to do it again some other day closer to the original. But I love you guys. There's almost 92,000 of you. There may actually be 92,000 of you by now. I have over 1,800 videos. You can find them by going to my YouTube channel and go to All Playlists, Creative Playlists. I want to swipe that. Oh, you can't trust me. I'm going to do it. Except for that dog hair. I don't need that dog hair. Cool. I'm so glad I did that. I mean, the edges aren't perfect over here or anything, but I like it. It's pretty cool, in fact. I could probably camouflage that a little bit if I wanted to. Get rid of that hard line there. Neat. Excellent. cross your fingers. We hope this dries nicely. And I will do another painting. I might have to prime another canvas though. So where was I? I was saying thank you guys for all the wonderful comments you give me all the time to keep my morale boosted. Thank you for the donations that help keep me painting. Anybody who makes a donation help keep the studio making more videos is automatically entered as long as your email address is up to date and correct on the PayPal donation form, where you can find the PayPal donation forms on my YouTube channel banner on the bottom right hand corner. Yeah, I am. Just can't leave well enough alone, but I like what I'm doing, so I'm okay with that. Just adding a few little raggedy lines that I think I like. And spreading them out just a tad. I still want some white in one of these, maybe the next one. So what did I not tell you guys? Please give me a thumbs up. When you like my videos, it helps me out. When you share my videos, it helps me out. When you watch them longer, it's a huge assistance. When you watch when the notifications come out, same thing, huge assistance. I have a link tree. It's below the video, and it has all my links on it. My website, my Facebook groups, my Saatchi art, my oh, well, Pinterest, Instagram, and Twitter links also. Expressionist Art Studio Gallery Fans and Collectors is a Facebook group that has albums of the YouTube artworks in them, edited sometimes. Teespring Clothing is below the video, and it has Oliver Print leggings and Oliver Print t-shirts, and you can request something if you can't find what you're after there. Same thing with Pixels.com and Fine Art America. If you can't find what you're looking for, I can add it, and I like to do that because I don't always edit the dry photos, but when you ask, I do. On my Amazon link on the link tree also you'll find my 2 books, Because I Can and Unlimited Possibilities. I told you about the videos, so what else am I missing? I'm not sure. I do sell my art, duh, and I need to zoom in. I do sell my art, and I give classes at the house in Spring Hill, Florida. There are some really pretty but very subtle cells in there. The gold and the pink is awesome together. Anyway, I think I've told you almost everything that I need to tell you that I can remember to tell you, other than that there's a drawing every month. And you can see the exhibition video on the end screen of any video that includes the prizes for the end of the month drawing. And when you make that donation, you are automatically included, as I might have mentioned. So whatever I missed, you'll see in another video. I love you guys. I will see you anon. This is Priscilla Batzell in Spring Hill, Florida at Expressionist Art Studio Gallery. I'm going to use more turquoise next time, but I like the dot effect. Really cool. Bye for now. Priscilla out. Take care of each other. Take care of yourselves.